Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm Ms. Shanaz Muhammad Dawood, your Pakistan Studies teacher from Al Badr Girls Higher Secondary School. Beta, you all are in class 9th now, and you know that we are preparing in this class for board examination. We have started online classes. Whatever the instructions will be given to you, please follow that. And whatever the home assignment will be given to you, please, whatever the work we discuss in the class, please complete that on time. So when schools will open, there will be no burden on you to complete your work. Pakistan Studies book, we are using the same book which we have used in class 8. The remaining chapters we will complete in this class. We are starting the new chapter, that is Industrial Development in Pakistan. Today's topic is industry and its kinds, and then we will discuss the importance of industry. Islamic motivation. The Quran is not against industrialization. Islam is a perfect way of life. It encourages industrialization and sets its pristine teachings as enshrined in the Holy Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the guiding principles and values for Muslims to create a kind of industrialization that shall bring about not only economic prosperity and sustainable development to the nation, but also one that is in harmony with the environment. Islam encourages all types of industries that can be established depending on the changing needs of a society due to the change in circumstances and public interest. Now the question is that what is industry? The word industry is derived from the Latin word industria, which means diligence or hard work. The term industry literally means the act of producing goods in factories. Industry is the work and process involved in making things in factories, that is manufacturing process through manual or mechanical method. Industry is the place where raw material is converted into finished products or goods. Now we will do the types of industries. There are 4 types of industries: primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry, quaternary industry. Primary industry. What is primary industry? Primary industry is the source of getting raw materials. We get raw materials from mining, agriculture, forestry, fishing. These are the primary source of getting raw materials. Most of the agriculture products may be used as raw material. What is raw material? Raw material are the basic commodity which finished goods are made. One example I want to share what is raw material. Wheat is the main raw material in baking products. We make bread, biscuits, etc. Primary industry is the first level. Secondary industry. Secondary industry is processing and manufacturing industry. Secondary industry is the second level. Secondary industry is concerned with changing the raw material from the primary sector to form a semi-finished or finished products. I want to share a few examples with you. Like timber, timber is a raw material which we get from forest. we make furniture and paper. The raw cotton. The cotton textile industry processes raw cotton into yarn and then into cloth. Oilseeds. Oilseeds are processed into edible oil, while the vegetable oil industry which use agriculture products as the raw materials are called agro-based industries, like cotton textiles, woolen industry, sugar industry. You can see in this picture also, mining is also one of the primary source to get the raw material. Like limestone we make cement, okay, and iron we make steel, car, aeroplanes, etc. Tertiary industry provides services like teaching, nursing, policemen, firemen, salesmen. Tertiary industry is the third level. They provide services such as banking, insurance, transport and hotels, postal work, email, health worker, doctor, engineer, lawyers, street cleaners. Service industry now also includes tourism, as this brings in income and also creates new services like hospitality and catering. Quaternary industry. Quaternary industry involves research and development industries, example IT. Now we will discuss some of the points of the importance of industry, that why industry is important. Industry fulfill the necessities of human beings, add to their comforts through easy and quick preparation of things. Industry play a vital role in the economic development of any nation. Without industries, economic development is impossible. Economic stability, that is economic strength. If the country depends on the production of export and raw materials alone, for export raw materials alone, those countries cannot achieve rapid growth, because like you can take the example of raw cotton. Compared to cotton cloth, it is less valuable. So raw materials are, when we export, we get less money from it. So when it is processed in the industry, manufactured in the industries, its value is more. So industry is the best way to achieve economic stability. Second point is job opportunities. It provides job opportunities to labor, engineers, guards, computer instructor, etc. The income of the country increase. More industry means more jobs. Increase of per capita income. Per capita income means beta per person income. It is also seen that industrialized nations have high per capita income. Industry products are sold on high prices, while agriculture products are sold on low prices. Industry depends on man efforts. Human resources play an important role, while agriculture depends on nature. Standard of living. A rise in the income of the workers can improve the standard of living. The rise in income raises the standard of living. Increase in investment used in business. Whatever we will save, we will invest in business. Amount that utilized, we will get profit from it. It increases the productivity. Increase in revenue collection. Revenue is tax collection, amadni, taxes. The export of good provides foreign exchange. Custom